So here's how to continue downloading in sleep mode. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for the settings. And then from here, you need to go and tap on the system and then scroll it down until you find the power option. So select that power and then you need to tap on the screen and sleep. Then simply you need to make these two options like never. Alright, so select the never and simply close it up. Alright, then again go to the search bar and search for the edit power plan. Now again select these two options to never like this and then simply tap on the change advanced power settings. Then this dialog box will appear. Now you need to do a simple calculation, like here you can see the timer for turn off hard disk after 20 minutes. But if your download remains like 6 hours or 10 hours, so let's assume that your download is like 10 hours remains. All right, so what you can simply do, tap on the 10 and then you need to multiply with 60. All right, so 10 hours into 60 is 600 minutes. So you have 600 minutes left for downloading. So you need to copy this 600 and paste it right over here. So you need to just apply the download remaining time in minutes into this option. So that's how you can simply do. Then you need to tap on the apply and paste it. Okay, so that's how you can simply do it. But make sure to reverse this process after you like finish your downloading, because this will cost you money. How? Because of the electricity. Suppose you forgot to reverse this process after the next day, then the computer will be running in the background for many days or after that. So it will cost you money, like the electricity bill will arise. We don't want that. So how you can do that? Just simply after the next day you have downloaded the whole thing, then simply go back to these settings like change and then make it up like 20 again, and then you need to select this one, make it like 1 hour or 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is fine. Then save and again go to the settings option. So we are just reversing the process. All right guys, so system and then tap on the power and screen and sleep and make it like 30 minutes and you are good to go. So that's how you can simply do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and we'll see you next time.